Sin siva hula dunya is Mr. Shionach Shenta. Falchi an channel akum. Hami adol a chlucha game ila and you. Hami adol a chlucha clone drone in the danger zone. I guess hami adol a chlucha na dùbhlan.
Irvin, Sanders.
Look at that cute raptor tail wagging.
The raptor tail is a fearsome weapon.
Chluchi mi gurka bui no bas. Bisho inchi noch. Ra hurasta.
Victory! The raptor falls.
It was the warm-up raptor.
Time for the human to get warmer.
It looks like this flame raptor put a sword robot on its back.
That's nice of it.
Yes, a fun adventure for the sword robot.
Sidami can be orst female. Ovo. 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 Gaan eerst een gleba eatjes. Bonk. Jij eigenlijk echt bonk.
Time to turn up the heat.
Kevier levelen. A jech levelen aan.
Here come the other robots.
What? Where is the flame raptor?
Perhaps it is hiding. Clone created.
Behaile.
Normally backups take hours.
We were clever and guessed you didn't want to die.
Was je kerst gaan in me als zo'n bazigig. Hami a smunige gumbi lame. Well. Wachtlooi! Oh, wel. Oh, wel. Ha! Ha ha ha! Scanel. Scanel.
It's fun to watch.
Yes, I like the lava.
Is de loom een lava kutjak?
Now, the raptor forest.
Saw blades everywhere.
A dangerous place.
Ochlooi! Oh, wel. Geef je 3. Zet me gewil 3 aan. Haha. Chicken show, be a sponsor. Gaat je willen per uur? Oh, aan zin. Aan per uur aan zin.
Victory! The human circle.
Gaan jullie leer gelijk.
Perhaps it was some sort of wood human.
Likely. Volcano. Lava everywhere.
Oh, wel.
Robots.
The raptors love this level. So much fire.
Breid bij mij eet ulle. Ovo, gen... Ovo! Lava! Genia, lava! Ovo!
Clone activated.
Well! Ovo! Haha. Ovo. Kaçan roya lo. Gleva, gleva, gleva. Kaç vilo do. Ovo. Ovo. Leroy Jenkins! Vai me dar descobrir que ounds in lava. Oh, agora sluta. I guess Jish Bawater. Loch slide. Here.
Victory. The volcano did not erupt.
Maybe next time.
Was je eentje nog? Leroy McJenkins. Kattewielen. Knillach das machine. Gleva, gleva. Ovo. Van mi rossleta. Ovo. Camera ha me bel. Ovo. Gleva.
Victory.
Ah, poor raptors.
They tried.
Reiniert naar Jacob.
Here is a different kind of analysis part. How long does it take to create a human?
About 9 months to create the first version, then several years to teach it how to do things.
So long.
Oh, well. Well. Waar vis ik hem gaan weer naftje ila aan? Was je er al? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Well. Gleva, gleva. Oep. Oh, wow. Gleva. Gleva. Oh, wow. Gleva. Katje weer hem verilen. Ah. Gleva.
Victory. He. Did you like the tunnel, human?
A fun surprise.
Kan heel veel maken erach. Een live. Oh, wow. Well. Fimi mi an davan ale shin a varvug. Ver ilaun. Leroy McYankins! Oh. Neil Grona. Gleba. Oh, Care around. Gleba. Oh. Armadane.
Victory. Wow, that was chaos.
Yes.
Gesigneerd Ula geen lava.
Level 9. The calm before the storm.
Mark 3 archers are not very calm.
You haven't seen level 10 yet.
Chanel Godana. Oh well. Gleva. Gleva. Jail. Well.
Victory.
Haroy Arson Savage.
I think you will like it.
It is here, the final level.
This human has survived much, but can it survive this?
If it will not burn, then it will break.
Behail.
Clone created. A prudent choice.
Always with the prudent choices. These humans.
Gleva. Oh, well.
Clone act.
Ha oorstaken maar eerst. Kaat te veel het. Op. Gleva. Op. Gleva. Op. Ha! Loch Sly!
Wow, that was epic.
The human
Gleva! Rohurasta,
Not
rohurasta.
on fire.
an impressive achievement.
Well, sy'n mi gyfil sy'n glior son y fideo show. Mae fa fideo a corsygryf, pwta fan pwta yn ffolsgryf, agos mae ha geirsa chyn son mo gaelig acaf inisym iof. Mor yn taing son coet, is mis y sionach sienta, agos chymia rysif.